some people it be like say na inside dream therefore they marry people. Then when they come wake up, they say, hey, that person is my wife. Oh, that person is my husband. All of that when they do that kind of thing, law no gree. If person they carry your name about say na he marry you and he not marry you, you get right to run go court to go tell the judge say see wetin they do that they spoil market for me. When you tell them, judge go come look the matter. He go come give you paper say yes, so the person not to true marry you. He just they carry your name around. So you go carry that paper now. Take enter your market. Make you for sell your market well. I better not let anybody come they mess you up. I say make we just drop that one first before we can't talk this matter. Una know na me, mama will be lawyer. We don't come today to come continue that other matter of tear paper for inside marriage. Una know say this tear paper matter, e dey get rope when e dey tie the different parts of this tear paper. Not be just to tear paper divorce, come waka pass so. Other things dey when they need to talk about. The court go need to talk about am. Wetin be these things? The first one na maintenance, second one custody, and the third one na property of the marriage wey they buy together, husband and wife buy. Today we go talk about the maintenance. Wetin maintenance be? Some people they go just sit down. Hey, this my wife. He wicked though. He not good. A bad woman. When I divorce and finish, she go suffer. Or women, our women, when I got that we too we get for her. They go say, this man, I know say he get money. I go marry him. When I marry him finish, he never reach 2 years, 3 years. I go just hook him. I go do divorce so that we go get money. I go divide the money. They say they're not gonna agree like that to not be automatic. Courts go sit down. The matter they go look at well. Wetin court go look where be maintenance. So court say the man now is supposed to take care of the woman, and the man he go provide house, he go provide food, balanced diet. So now court talk am, law talk am. He go provide water, clean water, and he go provide clothes. He go take care of the children. But if the man not come get the money, now make court go say they go look all the things put together. How much the man's salary be? How much money he don't get for corner before? Which kind of property he gets where he go fit give am the money? How many years the marriage be? Which kind of life where the man don't give the woman the chop before? When if the marriage stop, the woman will come suffer am. How many children they get? How many years the man be? How many years the woman be? How many years they stay the marriage? The children where they born, so how many them be? All of those ones they go look am. Plus say the thing where they happen for economy now, how market dey, wait is they there, and how it cheap. All of those ones when they don't look at it, they'll come say yes, now so it be now this amount, now they go come give the woman. If they don't talk and finish, judge don't talk and finish. Oga, make sure say you pay, because if you not pay, the law say they go come look am again. The woman come complain say you not pay. They go say you don't commit offense, so you don't offend judge, you don't offend woman. If you call offend judge, now they call contempt, that's a criminal. The woman on the coffee ask for interest, they ask for all the money where you don't they owe. That one not good. So it good make we just make sure say we they meet all these obligations. I don't speak grammar again. Anyway, so now so a bill, I say make we can't talk am so that we go know say this tear paper matter. It's not too the sweet. If we go fit avoid them, make we try and make we avoid. If we not fit avoid them and the matter don't reach like this, make we see how the matter be, make we know so that we go avoid trouble wey go come put us for wahala. I no know before, e not save anybody. Now make we say make we run come. Una dey try una thank you. All the questions, all the suggestions, all the sharing, all the liking, I give una hand, una dey try. Make una continue because we say for here we go continue. We don't want some people to lawyer, but we want make people just know, make them sabi wetin their rights be, so that nobody will catch us mugu.